Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your site history on Wix Studio so you can track your changes, restore previous versions of your website, and manage your development workflow with total confidence in 2026. Let's get into it. First, open your site in the Wix Studio editor. The first step is entering the advanced Wix Studio environment. Unlike the standard editor, Wix Studio features a more robust version control system designed for professionals and agencies. Log in to your Wix account and select the specific project you want to manage. Click on Edit Site to launch the Wix Studio editor. Wait for the full interface to load, ensuring you see the specialized Studio toolbar at the top and the Layers panel on the left. In 2026, Wix Studio automatically saves checkpoints every time you perform a major action. By opening the editor first, you are accessing the live session data. This is the only place where you can see the granular history of who changed what and exactly when those changes occurred. Next, navigate to the Site menu. To find the history logs, you need to go into the primary Site Management menu, where all high-level configurations are stored. Look at the top left corner of the editor. Click on the Wix Studio logo or the Site menu dropdown next to it. From the list of options, scroll down and select Site History. This is the time machine of your website. In 2026, Wix Studio has moved site history to a more prominent position because of how often collaborative teams need to revert layout changes. Clicking this will open a dedicated panel that lists every saved version of your site organized by date and time. Next, browse and preview previous versions. Once the Site History panel is open, you will see a chronological list of every save and publish event that has happened on your site. Scroll through the list on the right side of the screen. Click on any specific date and time to see what the site looked like at that exact moment. Use the Preview button that appears on the version you've selected to view it in full screen mode. This is the safety net phase. In 2026, Wix Studio provides a high-fidelity preview for every historical version. This allows you to check if a specific bug existed in an older version, or to recover a design element that you accidentally deleted. You can browse through these versions without affecting your live site at all. And that's pretty much it. To view your site history in Wix Studio 2026, open the Site menu in the editor and select Site History. Browse through the timeline of saves, use the Preview button to check older designs. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.